Hey guys, this tutorial is focused on Curriculum Trak and how to create a map when you are not using Bob Jones curriculum. Because you're not using Bob Jones curriculum, it means you're going to have to build a map from scratch because we are not able to upload a pre-made map for you. So you're going to have to do things a little bit differently if you are teaching a course that is not from Bob Jones. So to do that, you're going to have to take a few extra steps. So as you can see, I've pulled up my Curriculum Trak home screen here. And I've got my courses listed down here in the bottom under my courses. And you're going to access your courses just like you would if you were teaching a Bob Jones course, because I will have already assigned your course to you. But when you click on it, it is going to look very different. There's actually going to be nothing there to begin with. So what you're going to do is you are going to go up here to the map icon, and you're going to select the course that you want to edit. Now, in order to build your map from scratch, you're going to have to edit your time frames. So I've created a course here called Test Course that we're going to build from. So this is going to be a course just like a course that would not be a Bob Jones course. So as you can see, when I click on that, there is no curriculum map. And so let me show you the difference between that and a Bob Jones course. If I were to click on this Bob Jones Earth Science course, as you can see, there's already a map there. So a preloaded map that's got a lot of stuff already in it, as opposed to one that is not a Bob Jones course that has nothing. So in order to start editing a map, we need to actually build the map first. So to do that, we're going to need to edit the time frames and the units. So again, click on map, select the course. For us, it's test course in this example, and then we're going to start editing time frames and unit. So from there, you just click edit time frame and unit, and that will pull up this screen here. Now, once again, we have nothing here yet. So we're going to click add time frame. Now, this is built in a bit of a hierarchy. So what I suggest you do is do it in quarters. Now, I know that we don't teach in quarters, but it's just a good way to keep everything organized. So start with quarter one, click save, and then you can do quarter two, save, quarter three, save, and quarter four, and save. So now we've got the beginnings of our map. So now, as you can see, our map looks a little different. We actually have one now. So under each quarter, we've got to add a little bit more, because as you can see, we still can't edit within this map. There's still no option to edit within that map. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit time frames and units again. So now instead of adding a time frame, we're going to click add unit. So you can label this how you want. However you break down your units within your course is how you're going to want to do this. Just to keep it simple, I'm going to say unit 1. And you don't necessarily have to worry about the start and end date for this. You can if you want. If you know that you're teaching unit 1 from a certain date to a certain date, go ahead and put that in there. So I'm going to save unit 2, save unit 3, save. So now I've got 3 units under quarter 1. I'm going to go back. So now we see I've got unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3 all under quarter 1. Now, notice I have an edit button on my map. So now I can actually start editing this map Well, let's say I want to put something under quarter 2, quarter 3, or quarter 4. That's fine. Just go back up here to edit timeframes and units. Click on it. This takes me to this screen right here. I can add a unit under quarter 2. Save it. Go back. Now I have a unit under quarter 2. So now I've started to build that map, and I can start editing the actual map just as if I had a Bob Jones map created. And that's how you start building your map.